Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money from Amazon and what are those methods. Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, and it offers various opportunities for people to earn money. So, let's get started. Method 1, Amazon Affiliate Program. The Amazon Affiliate Program is one of the most popular ways to make money from Amazon. It allows you to earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. To get started, you need to sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program and create an affiliate link for the product you want to promote. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Method 2, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a platform that allows you to earn money by completing small tasks, such as data entry, surveys, and content moderation. The pay for each task varies, but it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Method 3, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're a writer, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can be a great way to earn money. It allows you to self-publish your ebooks on Amazon, and you earn a royalty for each sale. You can also use Amazon's marketing tools to promote your book and increase your sales. Method 4, Amazon Handmade. If you're a crafter or artist, Amazon Handmade can be a great way to sell your products. It's a platform that allows you to sell handmade goods on Amazon, and it can be a great way to reach a wider audience and increase your sales. Method 5, Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a program that allows you to sell your products on Amazon and have Amazon handle the shipping and customer service. This can be a great way to scale your business and reach a wider audience. So, those are the 5 methods to make money from Amazon. Whether you're a writer, crafter, or just looking for some extra cash, Amazon offers various opportunities to earn money. Which method are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.